Welcome to Mantra Monday with Vignesh, everyone. Today we're doing Om Mani Padme Hum. It's a great prayer or mantra for love and compassion, especially if we're going through stuff. I know today I'm honoring my feelings, going through a bit of anger, without shaming it, having compassion. So I'm just doing my due diligence and asking for more compassion. There's lots of great info on this online. If you want me to make a video, I can do that. If not, let's get into it. Grab your mala beads. So taking a deep breath in, placing your hand on your heart, just feeling yourself in your chair, in your bed, on the floor, wherever you find yourself. Just deep breath in, releasing out through the back of the body. And follow along as best you can. Om Mani Padme Hum, 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 Om Mani Padme Hum. 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 Taking a deep breath in, imagining you can breathe deep down into the earth, just grounding. Then breathing in through the soles of the feet, up through the legs, into the base of the spine, up to the level of the heart, and just exhaling, taking a few moments to breathe. Feel where you are in the moment. And opening your eyes when ready. And I'd like to thank you for being here with me today, doing the mantra, sharing the love of the self and the other. I will hopefully have some longer form videos on another application that you probably use all the time. So if you'd like to learn more about what I do, like, subscribe, interact, send me questions, check out my Linktree. Thanks for being here. Have a great day.